Bonjour, je m'appelle Ellie und maintenant sprechen wir über das Wetter. See, I have found this list right here, and I have indeed confirmed the pronunciation of the new tropical storm, soon to be hurricane, is Philippe. It's not Philippe, it's not Philip, it is Philippe. We'll say it like that, I don't know. And here I tell you, quick tip if you want to get into a really stereotypical accent, and of course, French always blends into Russian for me. Here is how you draw back the French accent. You go, and I'm sure no one in Paris or anywhere like that talks like that at all, but just the and then you're back in the game, right? So, whatever, I do not know. We go over here to earthquakes, and we say, Puerto Rico, it is not in the United States, so we skip it. We say, who cares? There is huge amount of red flag warning. See, and there's the Russian again. Over there in Montana, see it, let's see, I looked it up. It is, because it is dry, it is gusty and hot. So that is fire-related thing. I have memorized the colors, but I verified it already, so I cheated. Dark blue, this is a frost advisory, and the lighter shade is the worst one. That makes no sense. But that is a freeze warning. See, that is just advisory, whereas that is warning. See, that should have more oomph. I forgot to look up this. It's probably a flood thing. No, it's a short-term forecast. That could mean anything. Who knows? So that is also a red flag warning. That is purple thing. That I do not know what that color is. I don't know how to read this. So we have no idea. Oh, maybe we click on area friend. Oh, I don't know. They do not make it easy. It's probably special marine warning. We go with that. I don't care. No. So we're moving on to the map. It always looks like that where it is effing dry. That's the drought monitor. And here is who is going to get rain. And of course, it is not the people who need it the most. But this is a 5-day quantitative precipitation forecast. What does that mean? It means, hey, these people get rain the next 5 days. Here is who has had too much rain. 23 locations of flood. It's, California, that is a new one. But everyone, it's almost always up there. Here is today's light risk. We have stuff to talk about. We have a chance of severe wind, 15% probability there. We also have a risk of severe hail. And we have the 5% chance of a tornado, as well as a 2% chance of stretching quite far across the states. I did not know. Here is tomorrow's confusing squiggly lined map. And here is your 5% chance areas of severe weather. And here is Hurricane Hillary. Where is she going? We do not know. She apparently going to devolve into tropical storm, though. Major hurricane, and slight dissipation. I like that word. It has a French ending. Dissipation. Right, no. And Ophelia probably still not going to hit in the United States of America. Whatever. Right. Tropical storm. And also Philippe. Also not going to hit the United States unless he then banks left quite drastically. So tropical storm, apparently a short-term hurricane. And then back to tropical storm. So if you happen to be vacationing right there in that little quadrant, you should probably pay attention. But maybe you do not have internet access. Maybe you are screwed. I do not know. Right. Do we need to really look at it? Oh, there is the California. Hey, the one path, whatever the AEMN is. That says, hey, California, look at. So California, I make a non-educated guess, a stupid guess. We'll just call it what it is. That California probably see a lot of rain. Arizona probably see a lot of rain. And maybe some of the drought areas will see, some rain from Hurricane Hillary as she breaks apart over the land. I do not know. But only the Mother Nature knows, and she's not talking. Not very loudly anyway. Right, so WikiLeaks is at the WICKDWX.com, right? Auf Wiedersehen!